How to change chart time frames in TradingView application. Hello and welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Changing the chart time frame in TradingView lets you view price movements over different periods, helping you analyze the market from multiple perspectives. First of all, launch the TradingView app on your device and log in. Once you're inside, go ahead and tap on the chart option from the bottom and then select the chart you want to view. Once you're inside, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on this 1D option. Here you can select the time frame from date range, ticks, seconds, minutes, hours, days, and ranges. Go ahead and find this time options, which is seconds, minutes, and hours options, and then select the available option. Choose the time frame you want, such as if you want 1 minute or 5 minutes for short-term trading, just select 1 or 5 option. Similarly, if you want 15 minutes or 1 hour for intraday analysis, you can swipe down to Hours tab and select the hours, such as you can go for swing trading by using the 4-hour or 1-day option, 1 week or 1 month for long-term investments. So that is how you can easily switch the chart time frames in TradingView application. Now you can experiment with different intervals to gain a better understanding of market trends and make more informed trading decisions. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.